Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Vinh. Today I would like to talk about my next holiday. Next summer, my family will travel to Ha Long Bay, one of the most beautiful places in Vietnam. We plan to go there by car and expect to stay for one day. During the trip, I'm going sightseeing along the beach and enjoy the stunning scenery. After that, my family will explore Thiên Cung Cave, which is something I'm very excited about. At noon, my family will have lunch at a restaurant near the beach, and in the afternoon, my family will swim in the sea, an activity I really enjoy because it has me relaxed and comfortable. In the evening, I'm going to try some seafood, a type of food I don't usually have at home. Finally, before returning home, I hope to buy some souvenirs for my friends. That's all. Thanks for listening.